G'day everybody, this is John Seville. This is your executive summary for stock picks or setups for the 28th, which is the Tuesday, 28th of July. Alright, so the S&P 500 has declined as we thought it would based on open range, and we've seen the rapid decline here, but we are now on the 200-day moving average, which is kind of blinking on your screen here. And that's going to cause for some buying support. Now, the Federal Plunge Protection Team is going to try and keep the markets up, possibly through to the end of the week, if they can. But there are big threats facing the market. So, for a quick review, let's have a look at some of these stocks that we've been watching on the short side. First off, we can look at, here we go. We go to AA, Alcoa, which we looked at as short as 12.93 down on May 26, has continued just to plummet, now at 9.62. These are the kind of stocks we want to find. Now, this has continued to work, so yeah, anyone in this one is making some money. TROV, this is one I was short of that I took profit on today, 9.94. I took profit at 8.53. This has been fairly oscillating, which is why I wanted to get out of it, because it's been a little bit too unpredictable. So a good profit take there on that one. CORT. That was one we looked at as a short from 603 down. It's now at 492. The new kind of target, our first target was 549, which it hit easily. The second target we're looking at is 413. So it had a bit of a bounce today, but looks like it's going to continue further. Men's Warehouse, I like this one a lot. I took money out of this one recently to reposition into another stock, but I'm looking to re-enter into it tomorrow. This definitely broke down, as you can see, went from 354,000 shares to 550,000 shares today, and broke that support level. So anything rallying back into that moving average or any kind of rally bounce is something I'm looking to re-enter into tomorrow. But that's for anyone who's in that, it looks really good. NE, we were looking for a break of 13.93. That's dropped substantially now. It's down at 12.20, and definitely not holding under the moving averages, so that's looking good also. Arnett, looking for a break of 27.93, and that broke that. Now it's down to 25. I mean, the momentum definitely seems to be behind this thing. So lower levels, we're looking at 23.93 or 21.13 are the two targets we talked about. So this should be a nice one, hopefully, also. There's many to talk about, but this will be the last one. Coach, this came down and hit its first target today. It was a break at 32.27 that we were looking for. Hit 30.25 today, which was the target, and so forth. So anyway, other ones to look at that also triggered was BSX, ALR, JCPenney, which I took short, and ADBE, Adobe, which I'm looking to take short tomorrow. Now, in terms of looking into the markets, we could have a possible rally bounce, and that's the thing we have to be cautious of. So any kind of shorts that we're looking for potentially a short covering rally tomorrow or the next day to take on new positions. But some of the ones we're looking for are things like NVIDIA, NVDA. So a break down below this $19 level might be a decent short on NVIDIA. And the other interesting one is Akamai. Now, this is more time sensitive because it has reporting earnings over the next couple of days. And this have had dramatic moves on earnings before. So if the earnings are bad, we could see a drop down to the 64, 66 level. So this could be an interesting options play in terms of options during earnings that could drop sharply given the market sentiment. So the main thing is tomorrow, how we kind of result from this big drop. So that we have about 20-30 different types of shorts that we're looking for that would have high P to E ratios, and we'll be reporting those in our trading room tomorrow night, as well as our executive summary. So watch for it, and we'll see you all then.